There's been so many surveys and statistics done on how a buyer actually found the home that they ended up purchasing. And the top three ways are the following. Number one, online, which is kind of a given. So when people were surveyed over the past 12 to 18 months in U.S. real estate on the home that they ended up buying, the number one way and the number one place they found the home they ended up actually buying was online. Number two, they found it through their buyer's agent. Their buyer's agent ended up bringing them the deal or sending it to them right away, and that's how they first found out about it. And then number three is just traditional methods. Open houses, signs, right? Print marketing. Yet the dominant way is online, no questions in today's world. And believe it or not, a fairly close second is via the buyer's agent that brought them the transaction or brought them the deal in general. And then number three, open houses and other traditional old school ways we call it. So don't underestimate the way that buyers find homes in today's world. And you got to make sure if you're selling a home, hey, it's got to show beautifully online as best as possible, right? And if you're not working with a buyer's agent exclusively, it might be a good idea to work with a buyer's agent exclusively that knows what they're doing, because they may have off-market deals, or they may find a property before you that just hit the market. And if you got time on the weekends, go hang out and check out some open houses and walk through and see if you can find the right home.